Hi everyone, welcome to our UBCO Recreation Lower Lobby Tour. So let's go. Over here we have our accessibility door button. So if you press it, this door here will open up and we can enter the lower lobby. Come on. So after you enter the doors, right here on the left we have the elevator. If you press the button, the elevator will open and it'll take you upstairs to the upper lobby. Awesome, so this is the customer service desk. Here when you come to the customer service desk, there will be a staff member here. The customer service desk is here to answer all your questions. It's here for you to check in when you want to access the lower hangar. And it's also here for you to buy memberships, a day pass, rent any equipment, and they are just here to answer any of those kinds of questions. If you follow me this way, we can access our lower hangar and the studios. Right here we have another accessibility button to open the door. And then we can enter on in. As you can see, we have multiple different pieces of cardio equipment in here. This is accessible with a student membership or any other kind of membership, as well as a day pass. As we walk over here, we have our all gender neutral lockers, as well as 2 rowers, which are cardio equipment. And here we have our UBCO gymnasium. Let's head on in. In this gym, you can watch all of our varsity heat athlete sports. We can also play intramural sports if you sign up, as well as you can use open gym in this space, and that's accessible if you have a membership or pay for a day pass. Down this hall, we can find our change rooms, washrooms, and water station. Let's head on down. Here we have our men's change room and washroom. Then as we continue, we have our water bottle fill station, as well as more doors to access the gym. Then we can continue on down here. Here we have our all gender neutral washroom and change room, and then we have our women's washroom and change room down in here. Here we have our all gender change room and washroom. Here we have the accessibility button to open it up, and then we can take a look inside. Here we have the women's change room and washroom. Let's head on in. Here as we get inside, we have lockers which are available for purchase at the front desk, as well as areas for you to change. We can then turn over here. As we walk over here, we have other areas for you to change, mirrors to get ready with, and then we have all of our washrooms. And then we can continue down to the end of the room. And over here we have 3 showers, and one of them is an accessibility shower.